Question number 6 from the unit arithmetic progression. So here given, if 7th and 13th term of AP be 34 and 64 respectively, then its 18th term is. Okay, so MCQ question, here 1 marks for the board exam. So 7th and 13th term. So 7th term 34, 13th term 64. So first write that 7th term given 7th term 34 and another one 13th term equal to 64. Okay, so 7th term in the AP form by using formula एक term less so a plus 60 equal to 34. So first equation and 13 one term कमी करास 13 means 12 d 64. So now you can solve by using elimination. 12d 60 34 and here 64. So term cancel kara sir by changing the sign. Plus aati minus atli plus aati minus atli. So plus minus cancel zalo plus minus minus. So greater number sign 12 ची sign minus असा म्हणून minus 60 आणि 34 आणसून 64 काढलं. सो कितलं उरलं हांगासर greater number sign minus 30. So minus 30 divided by minus 6. So minus minus sign cancel. Difference kitla yelo 5. So answer put d equal to 5 in any equation. खयच्या एका equation d ची value put कराच. 34. So answer तुम्ही d ची value 5 put करतले. So a plus 6 5 are 30. A equal to 34 plus आता minus. So 34 आणसून 30 काढले 4. So a term तुमचा कितला येलो 4 येलो. Difference 5 येलो. Now you have to find 18 term. Okay. So 18 term जर तुम्ही find करतले यो find करून सांगला तुमका. Okay. So हांगासर formula for the 18 term. 18 term one term किती करतले short करतले. So a plus 17d. Okay, so 17d. So a ची value 14 and 17 into d इतलो 5. So 4 and 17 5 are 85. So 4 and 85 89. Okay, so your 18 term is 89. So C is the correct option. Okay, so like this you have to solve this problem. Thank you.